is our entries for Mecha Shatturday. So it's shoutout time for J. Mark Valenzuela, Ralph Rolay, Young at Soul, John Paul Santos, Rolf Wencelio, Ex Atrigenio Lahora, Chari Potpot, Hero Key, Baselan R. Jeffrey, Ryan Dagindal, Esleta of Royal Course Hobby, Hab Sens, John Matthew, Sean Sebastian Ortega, Kem Joshua Aguirre, O'Neill, Lawrence Omandam, Prince Ezekiel 24, Mark Bagaw, Harvey Dante Bernardo, Kenneth Cristobal, Glenn Collar, Mercader, Dynamax, Viernes Carletos Ivan, Gothenburg Pereira Dos Santos, Fretz Amano Almario, Virgilio Voltaire Pineda Baxa, Grayson Yeager, CS De La Cruz, Eric Rodske, Plexen Tijada, Andy Yuan, John Kenneth Fortuno Barrientos, Brandon Lee, Norvin Martin Quintos, Cholo Rocales, Robert Sifion, and To Plamo. Thank you so much, guys, for your entries for the Mecha Shatturday. And if you want to be part of our Mecha Shatturday next time, just go to GUNPLA VLOGGERZ Philippines and join the group and post your best mecha shots every Saturday and have the hashtag Mecha Shatturday on your post and you will be on this video. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so to be informed for our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gabblebird Show signing off. Goodbye. Woo!